Hey guys, today let's learn how to solve invite collaborator option not showing on Instagram. So in the case that the invite collaborator option is not showing on your Instagram application whenever you guys try to post someone or something, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to fix this issue. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Instagram application, and I would like you guys to go ahead and log in to your preferred accounts. Now, once we're already there, let's actually go ahead now and try to post something and try to access where that invite collaborator option is. So right here, as you see, I've already chosen a specific photo for me to post. Now what I want to do from here is to tap on next, and let's tap on tag people. As you see, the invite collaborator option is going to be located right here, and all we need to do is to tap on that invite collaborators and choose for a specific person, search for their username on this search bar, and then add them as a collaborator as soon as you post them. But in the case that you cannot see this option located here under the tag people option over here, what we can do in order to solve this issue is to double check if our Instagram application is updated to its latest version. So go ahead and launch the app stores and search for Instagram. And what I want you to do once you're already on here is to locate the Instagram application and make sure that your Instagram applications is updated to its latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you are going to have the best user experience possible. So go ahead and tap on update if you do have an update available so that you can solve your problem. Now, once your update is already done and you're still experiencing the issue, one quick fix that we could also do to solve this is to go ahead and launch these settings and then search for the general tab, tap on iPhone storage, and once this is already done loading, I would like you guys to go ahead and locate where the Instagram application is and then view its options on there. So go ahead and tap on the search bar and then search for Instagram on here. Once you're already here, let's tap on offload application, and this is going to basically free up some storage, clear up some cache, and once you're done with offloading the application, go ahead and tap on reinstall right here on this section as well, and that's going to solve your problem, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. Take care. This is How to Tech and Tutorials.